go to tryadvantage.com, click on RapidQuote. If you don't have an account, it will prompt you to open one. Very simple, just a few fields to fill out. If you do have one, it's going to show you this interface, which gives you your order history and prompts you to start a new quote, which I'm going to do. I click on Start a New Quote. It asks me to upload a file. I click on Upload File. There is my file, there is my data. I open my data to upload it. Within a few seconds, here is my online quotation. It's $47.03 US. It's going to be ready in 1 day. I want it unfinished, I want it black, I want one. All of the parameters are verified. Now this is really cool, watch this. I click on View 3D Model. Again, within a very few seconds, up comes my file. Look at that visualization. I know by doing this very cool thing that this is my part, it's the right color, it is my file. Now I have a choice. I can go back and do another quotation for another part. This is kept on file, or I can place my order, which I'm going to do right now. Look, there's my official quotation. Again, I have a chance to verify all the data, which I will do. I'm going to confirm it, I'm going to place my order. My order has been placed. Now engineering is going to get back to me and say, aha, we've received your order. This is fantastic. Now I know my part will be ready in the specified time for the specified price. And if I want another quote, I just go back, start the process again. I think from end to end, that was about 90 seconds. So I can do 10 quotes in about 15 minutes if I'm in purchasing, or if I'm an industrial designer, all I've got to do is do this and I can place my order online and I know I'm going to get it. What you see is what you get with RapidQuote.